All right, you guys, so this right here is a green anaconda, the second largest snake species in the world. And look at this little guy.
Coming in hot. Just like
check out this cool blanding snake. Whoa! Gonna get the cameraman. It's rear fanged, which actually means it eats all kinds of odd things like birds and brewers. Oh, I mean, God, it's had this thing for at least 10 years, and look how beautiful it is. As big as it'll ever get. Look at that. Woo! Woo! You gotta put some goggles on. But we'll try. You better put these on too. But now we're safe. I think that's maybe overdoing it. Here we go.
I don't have pants on.
What?
I don't want to bite my legs.
Look at this guy. He comes high in his underwear. Whoa.